In this video, we're going to talk about what the most recommended vinyl for decals is, and we're going to cover all of these vinyls: Greenstar, Oracal 631, 651, and 751. And to make our vinyl decals, we use either a Graphtec, a Titan, a Cameo 4, but you can pretty much use any kind of vinyl cutters. Although using a digital printer is a win-win situation and the cheapest option in the long run, as you will save a lot of money and time instead of cutting and applying each layer of vinyl individually, but the upfront investment can be a little high. And that's why for this video, we will stick with our vinyl cutters. And to keep this video short and simple, we're going to focus on three things: thickness, durability, and where we apply each and every vinyl. So what is the best vinyl to make decals? And the answer is Oracal 651. If you go to our channel and watch our videos, chances are we'll be using Oracal 651, as this is the type of vinyl we use for about, I would say, 95% of our projects. And we use this vinyl to make car decals, car magnets, vinyl banners, yard signs, window decals. You could even make wall decals, although we do not recommend you use this vinyl, wood signs, and a lot more. Now, if you go to their website, this is the information that you will find about this type of vinyl. Its thickness, 2.5 mil, durability, up to 6 years. And we already discussed where we apply this vinyl. Now, these are the main reasons why we believe this is the best vinyl to make decals. The first one is the price. Although it's not the cheapest vinyl, but it is not the most expensive. If you were to compare the 651 versus 751 or 951, you would definitely see a huge difference in price, and that's why we recommend that you use this type of vinyl. And the next one is because of durability. It can last up to 6 years, and this is a good lifespan. If you really think about it, most of the customers will only keep their vehicles for a few years. Another of the reasons why we believe this is the best vinyl is because it works on most surfaces as long as they're not curved or there are no rivets. And it's really easy to use and very affordable, and you can give your customers a good price because it's not too expensive. And these are the main reasons why we believe this is the best vinyl to make decals. Now, if you're just getting started and want to learn how to use vinyl decals, this would be a good option. Honestly, we don't really use this as much, but if you look at the ratings, it has good ratings and basically the same applications as the Oracle 651. The only time we use this vinyl is, or we order this vinyl is, whenever Oracle 651 doesn't have the 12-inch available. That would be about the only time. But as mentioned, it is a little thicker and it is more affordable than the Oracle 651. Its durability will be very close to Oracle 651, and since this one is a little bit thicker, sometimes it may give you a little bit of a harder time when applying on certain areas, especially if the area is a little curved. So you just gotta be careful with that vinyl. By the way, guys, if you are liking this video, we would really appreciate it if you gave us a like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Make sure you turn on your notifications to get notified next time we upload a video. Thank you so much. Now let's talk about Oracle 751 and 951. And if you guys pay attention, the higher the number, the more expensive the vinyl is, but also the better to work with. Now this is the most important information that we found on the web about Oracle 751. This one is a little thinner. This one is only 2 mil. Its durability is up to 8 years. And this one is perfect to work with if you have curved surfaces or rivets. And as mentioned, this one is a little bit more expensive than the Oracle 651. And the same goes with Oracle 951. If you need more information about Oracle 951, I recommend you guys go to their website and get more information about that vinyl, as we believe Oracle 751 will last enough years. When it comes to application and durability, this will be the best option. But each project will be very expensive and will be harder to afford for our customers. And that's the reason we keep it as the second option and not the first one. Now let's talk about Oracle 631, or also known as exhibition or removable vinyl. And this type of vinyl is the one we use the least And the reason being because we don't really make that many wall decals. And this is mainly for indoor use, as it would last about 3 years. And this one is a little thicker than the Oracal 651. This one is a little cheaper than the Oracle 651, honestly just by a few dollars. And as mentioned earlier, you can still use Oracle 651 for your wall decals, but when removing it, it can damage your wall. So you just gotta be careful when using that type of vinyl for your walls. Just by looking at this surface, you can already tell that the best option would be Oracle 651, but you can also use 751, 951. The only thing that if you decided to use those vinyls, it would be a lot more expensive. In the end, the investment will be a lot more expensive, and you would have to charge additionally unless the customer requests that you use that type of vinyl. If he wants, let's just pretend that he just bought a brand new vehicle, then his investment will be worth it because he would keep it for a long time, hopefully. But vans that are a little bit older, I mean, it's not even worth it investing much money if they're only going to last like a few years. Another good option would be using the Greenstar vinyl. But like I said, we usually keep smaller rolls of vinyl for that brand. We'd rather work with Oracle 651, to be honest with you guys. Since we do a lot of backgrounds on magnets, we've noticed that Oracle 651 works a lot better than the Greenstar, and that's the reason we just keep just a little bit of that brand, not too much. I mean, we're so used to working with Oracle 651, and it has worked good so far. Just keep in mind, we haven't tried every single vinyl out there. This is just the knowledge we have acquired while using the vinyls we have been able to work with. Again, Oracle 651 is our favorite personal choice to make vinyl decals with. The reasons, because of its price, durability, and it's so easy to work with and works on most surfaces. If you guys like this video, make sure you give us a like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Also hit the notification bell. Let us know if you agree with our choice or if you have a different opinion about what type of vinyl is the best to work with. Also, make sure you get your materials and equipment. In the description of the video, we have several links. We will really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and see you guys until the next one.